guys, look at that little box over there. That's a leftover honey box, or bee box, I guess. That's where they would live. Because we make a majority of our own honey. I say majority because we used to make all of it, but that box specifically is actually empty right now due to black bears. We have black bear problem out here. They like their honey and nothing's stopping them from getting it. So unfortunately now we ask our neighbors to provide some of our honey as well, but we still produce a good amount of it. Yeah, luckily the neighbors are honey farmers too.